Prime industrial land for sale in Batu Kawan, Penang, freehold, non-Bumi lot, 99 acres, RM 181M. Strategic location near Second Penang Bridge and IKEA, ideal for heavy and light industries. Why foreign investors should consider this land? Freehold ownership, rare full freehold industrial land with no Bumiputera restrictions, ideal for foreign investors. Penang's rising industrial hub, Batu Kawan is the next major growth zone in Malaysia, with strong government support for manufacturing and FDI. World-class connectivity. 5 minutes to Second Penang Bridge, direct access to Penang Island and North-South Expressway. 30 minutes to Penang International Airport and Penang Port, logistics advantage. Close to IKEA, Design Village, and future commercial developments. Large-scale development potential, 99 acres of flat, usable land, perfect for factories, warehouses, logistics parks, electronics, automotive, and heavy industries. Special Economic Zone, SEZ Industrial Park Development. Strong ROI potential, Penang is a top FDI destination in Malaysia, with a thriving semiconductor, and medical tech industry. Key details for foreign buyers. Price, RM 181 million, negotiable for serious investors. Land size, 99 acres, freehold, non-Bumi lot, land grant available. Zoning, industrial, suitable for heavy and light industries. Infrastructure, easy access to highways, ports, and airports. Who should invest? Multinational corporations, MNCs, looking for long-term industrial land in a stable, business-friendly environment. Manufacturers from China, Taiwan, Japan, Germany, US seeking expansion in ASEAN. Industrial park developers interested in large-scale projects with high growth potential. Logistics and warehouse operators needing strategic port access. Why invest in Penang, Malaysia? Number 1 in FDI for electronics and electrical, in Malaysia, home to Intel, Bosch, Dell, etc. Business-friendly policies, tax incentives, 100% foreign ownership in manufacturing. Skilled workforce, strong talent pool in engineering and tech. Serious inquiries only, confidentiality assured. For more information and viewing, kindly email Sonny at sonnycock2@gmail.com, or hand phone WhatsApp +6016 218 7571. Owner is welcome to list.